Imagine having a superpower in your workshop or garage, one that makes precision and perfection easier than ever before. Say hello to the Marker GIC VS01 Intelligent Electric Vise, the revolutionary tool that's about to change the game for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its advanced AI-powered technology, this sleek device can detect and adjust to even the most minute variations in material thickness, ensuring a flawless fit every time. Plus, its ergonomic design makes it ridiculously easy to operate, giving you more time to focus on what really matters, bringing your projects to life. Get ready to experience the future of precision engineering with Marker GIC VS01. Get ready to revolutionize your DIY game with the Bolts Cutter, a cordless ultrasonic cutter that's about to make all those pesky cords and wires a thing of the past. Imagine being able to precision cut through even the toughest materials without the hassle of tangled cords or noisy machinery. It's like having a superpower in your hands. This sleek and compact device uses advanced ultrasonic technology to slice through metal, plastic, wire, and more with ease, all while running on rechargeable batteries that'll keep you going for hours. And the best part? It's so quiet, you can use it in a whisper-quiet workshop or even at home without disturbing anyone. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get cutting with the Bolts Cutter and take your projects to the next level. Meet the ultimate game changer for your workspace, the Fleximemo, the Swiss Army knife of sticky notes. This isn't just any ordinary note-taking tool, my friends. The Fleximemo is a reusable silicone marvel that lets you rewrite, restig, and even refold it to fit your needs. Imagine having a sticky note that can be used multiple times without leaving those pesky residue marks behind. And the best part? It comes with a built-in pen and cleaner, making it an absolute must-have for anyone who's tired of the same old stuck-together mess. So, are you ready to revolutionize your note-taking game? Imagine a world where you can seamlessly merge two seemingly disparate materials, creating something entirely new and innovative. Welcome to the LaserLab X1 and X1 Pro, the most versatile laser welding device on the market. With its unparalleled precision and flexibility, this game-changing technology allows you to bond plastics, metals, glass, and even ceramics with ease. Whether you're an inventor, a maker, or simply someone who loves tinkering, this LaserLab X1 and X1 Pro is your key to unlocking limitless creative possibilities. In the world of EDC, it's all about finding tools that blend seamlessly into your daily routine. That's where the Titanium OF UK comes in. This sleek, open-frame utility knife is the perfect solution for those who crave simplicity and versatility. With a razor-sharp blade made from high-carbon titanium, you can count on it to handle even the toughest tasks, while its minimalist design keeps bulk at bay, ensuring it stays out of your way until you need it most, like when you're opening packages or cutting twine. And with its intuitive one-handed deployment mechanism, you'll be whipping this knife open and closed in no time, making it an essential companion for any adventure that comes your way. Get ready to revolutionize your fitness routine, because we've got the game changer right here. Introducing the Protein Pulse Pod. This sleek, wearable device is not just another smartwatch or fitness tracker, it's a personalized protein advisor that helps you optimize your post-workout nutrition like never before. With its advanced sensors and AI-powered algorithm, this tiny titan tracks your muscle activity, heart rate, and performance data to deliver real-time protein recommendations based on your unique physiology. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to amplified gains with the Protein Pulse Pod. You can trust that you are fueling your body for maximum growth and recovery. So, are you ready to stop settling and take your fitness to new heights?